Okay. Let's go walk. Let's go on this adventure, rather. It's 7:10 a.m. Got off work early today. It's 50 Fahrenheit, 10 Celsius. And what is today? Today is, doggies. Trying to get my watch to work. Watch won't go on. Anyway, it's December, about the 9th or the 10th or something like that. Oh, what you guys, they're always in a hurry to get back here. You know, sometimes they see something, sometimes they don't. It doesn't matter. They're in a hurry to get back here. It rained last night a little bit, not much. I don't know how much we got yet. I haven't looked. Oh, I meant to turn on my headlamp. Because it's not completely daylight. Yeah, it's daylight, but not completely. What you guys doing? Come on, it's been a few hours since you used the bathroom. They've been pretty good dogs. Good girls, Lucy. Good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. Oh, the dogs across the street are out. Barkley, you wait. Good girl, Lucy. Come on, let's go. Come on, Lucy. Woo. Yes, this is pretty warm for this time of year. Good boy, Barkley. Good boy. That's a good boy. He's in there. We get in front of the bark now. Let me turn off my headlamp. Oh. Both of them pulling me. Oh. No. Come on. Get in the house. Come on, in the house. Lucy and Barkley. Come on. Lucy and Barkley. Come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. In the house. Oh, well. Good boy, Barkley. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Let's go in the house. You're a good boy. Lucy, you're going to get your butt spanking. Thanks to folks for walking with you. Thank you, folks. So come back, folks. Thank you.